Good morning once again, dear students. It's signal number 1 again here in our place for Typhoon Ophel. So let's go back to this platform so that learning will still go on even if there are class suspensions. So for our lesson today is conclude food service and close down dining area. In our previous lesson, we discussed about preparing and presenting a bill, how to process payments and receipts, presenting the bill or check, and accepting payments. Okay, so if you have no questions about that, let's proceed. The following skills and knowledge shall be the focus of this module. Remove soiled dishes when guests are finished with the meal. Handle food scraps in accordance with hygiene regulations and enterprise procedures. Clean and store equipment in accordance with hygiene regulations and enterprise procedures. Clear and reset tables and make ready for the next setting when a guest is finished with the meal. Thank and give a warm farewell to guests. Turn off electrical equipment when appropriate. Okay, so let's start clearing and resetting the table. When an appetizer has been served, the empty glasses are cleared only after the wine is served. If a white wine is served with the appetizer, the empty glasses are removed only after the red wine has been poured. The red wine glasses are cleared after the coffee or after dinner drinks are served. If you remember, class, our lesson in table setting, particularly the French table setting, diba naandun na lahat yung glasses. Tapos, dyan na i-apply yung kapag halimbawa, white wine yung in-order, serve mo yung white wine and then pagka-serve mo sa white wine, tanggalin mo na yung ibang glasses kasi hindi naman na sila magagamit. Ganon. So, ano pang sabi dyan? Red wine naman. Kapag red wine, syempre, pag red meat, yung in-order, tos sinadjust mo yung red wine, tapos inukayan naman, o yan, pag na-poured na si red wine, tanggalin na si white wine glass at si champagne flute. Ganon din kapag seafood ang in-order, pour mo si sparkling wine sa champagne flute, then tanggalin si red wine glass at si white wine glass. At kapag kape naman, hindi nawawala ang kape, tanggalin mo daw si red wine glass kapag na-serve mo na si coffee. Ayan. Clearing and patuloy ng clearing and resetting the table. When the guests have finished with the main course, any platters or serving dishes on the table are removed first. Tapos na silang kumain ng main course. Ayan. Siyempre, tanggalin mo na yung mga pinagkainan. Una, serving dishes and platters or platters. Then, the dinner plates are cleared along with the flatware. So, tanggalin mo na si dinner plate at saka yung mga cubiertos. Finally, any smaller plates, bread plates, and finger bowls are removed. Tanggalin mo na yung mga, isunod mo kay dinner plate yung mga maliliit na plates. Before dessert is served, the table should be totally cleared. except for the flowers or other decorations. Of course naman, ba't mo tatanggalin si flower? Diba? So, ayan, tanggalin mo daw lahat ng ginamit sa main course. And then, tsaka mo isa-serve si dessert. Apply nyo yan sa performance task ninyo ng serving the guest. Role play. Okay. Clearing table at the end of the service. When tables are cleared, do not dump everything on a single tray, but remove the different articles according to these instructions. Do not dump everything. Huwag mong tambak lahat sa tray. Okay, so you have the following instructions. First, remove the plates in front of the customer with the right hand so that the stack of plates is on the left hand behind the customer's chair. Always behind glass. Never kang kumuha ng plato tapos yung service tray sa harap ni guest. No. Okay, in this way, if an accident occurs, the plates held in the left hand will go on to the floor rather than over the customer. Pag alimbawa, nadulas si tray o kaya si plate, diba? Kapag nasa likod ng customer yung kamay na nakahawak sa mga nadulas, dediretso daw sa floor. Yung mga mababagsak, imbis na si customer ang mabagsakan. Tandaan. For the side plates, which are on the left-hand side of the cover, tulad ng bread plate, ano po? Clear them from the left, thus avoiding stretching in front of the customer. Huwag kang mag-abot ng mga plates sa harap ng customer. Kung halimbawa, nandun ka sa right, tapos nasa left yung kukunin mo, lumipat ka doon sa left. Huwag mong i-stretch yung kamay mo sa harap ni customer. Okay, maliwanag po ba? Remove all unused food first. For example, butter, bread, rolls, any platters of unconsumed food, and others. Okay, so lahat ng naandon, tanggalin na. Remove soiled glasses and napkins. Mga nadumihan at nagamit na glasses at napkins. Never allow linen to be soaked in oil or gravy. Wag mong ipatong naman yung linen sa kinuha mong may mantika or gravy. Remove all the condiments, sauce, salt, pepper, and others. In a separate tray or plate, remove all unused silver items. Huwag mong ihalo-halo lahat. Separate tray siya dapat or plate. Never mix unused silver items with soiled ones. You may have to make more than trip for this. No, kung kailangan mong balikan mo. Pag hindi mo kayang buhatin lahat sa minsanang pagkuha ng mga nagamit na plato at mga kubyertos. Okay? When the guests have left, clear the used and soiled items on the tables and service areas prepared for use again. Kapag nakaalis ng mga guest, ihanda mo na naman yung table para sa susunod na guest. Okay. So, tanggalin lahat ng dumi. Kung kinakailangan tanggalin yung linen, kasi nga nadumihan, tanggalin mo at palitan mo ng malinis. Turn off electrical equipment when appropriate. Reset the tables and work areas. So, maglatag ka na naman ng panubagong set ng French table setting, and the cycle goes on. Okay, the side station may be used while clearing the table. However, it should also always look neat and should not be cluttered. Neat yan, hindi net. Okay? Yung side station na pagtatambakan mo, kailangan pa ring malinis. Kasi baka kailangan mo si side station. Cramming. Cramming or brushing down. Tables are usually crammed down after the main course and side plates have been cleared. Na-demo ko na yan nung face-to-face natin, paano mag-cram down. Okay? Although a variety of cramming implements such as brush and pan sets, table scrapers, and electric brushes is available for this purpose, the most commonly used equipment is a dinner plate and folded service cloth. Now, the following are the procedures in cramming down using a service plate and cloth. O, na-demo ko na to You just have to recall. Make sure the side plates, cruets, and other items no longer required have been removed. Okay, so bago ka mag-cram down, punasan yung table, tanggalin lahat nga ng plates, cruets. Hold the plate on the flat of your left hand with your hand under the center of the table. Brush down from the guest's left from where the side plate was before it was cleared. Okay? Hold the plate under the edge of the table with your left hand. Brush the crumbs onto the plate using a folded service cloth held in your right hand. Si right hand ang magpupunas. Do not flick the crumbs but brush them steadily towards you with the folded service cloth. Punasan mo yung dumi. Move around the table, cramming down each guest's place as required, finishing with the host. So, mahuhuling linisan yung harap ni host. Okay? Sabi dyan, as required. Kasi pag malinis naman na, kahit wag na, no? Note, in case the desserts are set on the table after cramming down, they should be adjusted to ensure comforts of the guest. Ilang inches ulit from the table? It's 1 inch. Dapat. Yung layo ng dessert plate mula sa gilid ng mesa. Okay? Bidding the guest goodbye. When guests are departing, servers should have 4 distinct objectives. Yan, pag magpapaalam na si guest, dapat may 4 kayong objective. To make sure their experience in the restaurant was pleasurable. O, nag-enjoy ba sila nung kumain sa resto nyo? Thank them by name if possible. Kung kilala mo, thank them by name. Tulad ng Mr. Lawa, thank you for coming. Please come again. Ganon. For their patronage with a big smile. Smile. Mr. Lawa. Pero yung honest smile naman, hindi yung plastic na. Mr. Lawa. Para lang masabing nag-smile, hindi naman. To invite them back another visit soon. Please come again anytime. Ganon. Or, please come again tomorrow. Diba? Why not? And, to make sure their last impression is a positive one. Paalis na nga lang babatripin mo pa ba yung mga customer mo? So, dapat last impression masaya, welcoming aura, ganon, para ay ang saya naman doon, babalik tayo doon. Ang babait ng mga servers or waiters, ganon. Okay? So, eto. The farewell should be warm and friendly and as personal as possible. Yun nga, pag kilala mo yung pangalan, pangalanan mo. If you are not too busy serving other guests, assist those departing by moving their chairs for them. Buhatin mo palikod yung chair para tatayo na lang gagawin. Collecting their personal belongings, not forgetting coats, hats, bags, umbrellas, and offering to call for a taxi if needed. Okay? So, would you like me to call a taxi for you, ma'am, sir? Ganon. If you are serving others, acknowledge your departure with a nod and smile. Okay? Pag busy kang nagsiserve ng iba, tapos magko-cross sila sa'yo, yung dadaan sila sa banda mo, so you nod and smile. Hindi yung tapos mo na silang servan, huyo na sila sa'yo. No. Okay? If you can, wish them a good day or good evening and thank them for coming. Okay. Pag halimbawa, hindi mo naman kausap yung ibang guest, pasalamatan mo sila. Good day or good evening, ma'am, sir. Thank you for coming. Come again. Ganon. If you know the name, use it. Good night, Mr. Lawa. We look forward to seeing you again soon. O, diba? Balik po kayo, ma'am, sir. Ganon. When guests are ready to leave, assist them with their chairs and their jackets, if any. If any lang naman. Check the table to ensure that guests have not left any belongings behind them. Lalo na mga phones, mga wallets, or bags, ganon. So, siguraduhin natin na wala silang maiwan. Okay? Ayan, self-check na. O, diba? Sandali lang. Hopefully, hindi pa kayo nantok na. So, sagutan na kasi ito agad-agad. Pagkatapos ng video lesson, sagutan na agad-agad yung self-check at the end para hindi mo makalimutan yung lesson at matapos na. Okay? So, for the self-check 4.6, below is a list of ways in removing the different items on the table. Copy the statement and number the items in chronological order. Siyempre, number 1, pinakaunang gagawin. Hanggang sa huli na number 5. Use numbers 1 to 5. Write your answers in a 1/2 sheet of paper crosswise. Yes, 1/2 crosswise. To be passed on. Ay, sorry, ano pala to? Parang Lunes ko nung ginawa. Hopefully, bukas, wala nang signal sa atin. Friday, okay, November 15, 2024. Okay, and then, akala nyo tapos na meron pang susunod. So, ang susunod na lesson naman natin ay present and serve food and beverage orders to guests. Konting tiyaga na lang, class. Malapit na tayong matapos kasi malapit na yung matapos yung first semester, magse-second sem na tayo. So, give your all, na ninyo to, parang finals na ninyo yung second quarter exam. Wala nang third grading tulad nung junior kayo. Sa third grading, iba na naman yung subject nyo. Equivalent to parang first quarter na naman yon kung tutuusin. Okay? So, maglabas na ng papel class at magsagot na. See you in our next lesson. Bye!